background.
Okay. So yeah, so I graduated dermatology residency during the pandemic. Saan ako titigil?
Here.
So I graduated dermatology residency during the pandemic. No? So during that time, there was no way to open a physical clinic because it was not allowed. So I started my practice in our garage, in our house. No? So thankfully, due to social media, no, na iraos natin, okay, then we were able to build our first branch, which is in Parañaque. So I started there kasi it's the one nearest to our house. Okay. Then actually, this branch, Mandaluyong, is the second branch. Okay. But syempre, during that time, nag-ipon pa lang ako. No? So for our second branch, it was very small. It was only 45 square meters. And naawan ako sa patients kasi sometimes they would line up. So it's just here sa other corner. It's really small. It's 1/3 of this clinic. So we actually needed to put chairs na sa labas because they were so many and some of them nakatayo na sa may escalator. No? So syempre hindi maganda since we are an aesthetic and dermatology clinic. We want to, improve ourselves all the time and make it a very comfortable and luxurious experience for our patients. So sabi ko, instead of building a fifth branch, I would prioritize muna fixing my oldest branches, no? Para here in Metro Manila, the 4 branches kasi. I have one in Parañaque, so that is south, one in Makati, Medyo Center, one in Mandaluyong, Medyo Center, then QC North. Ayusin ko muna yung 4 before I explore kasi I want to expand na sa province soon. So before I move there, gusto ko, plakado and maayos, maganda lahat ng branches in Manila.
Okay, I'm sure yung clinic was open for everyone. Pero specifically, parang sino tingin mo yung parang fit talaga or like this is the perfect clinic for the certain target market?
So if I have a niche, I would say it's OFWs. Kasi napapanood nila ako from all around the world. So when they come here, they're very excited to see me kasi parang they see me every day in their mind kasi they watch me sa social media. So parang kilala na nila ako when they see me. So parang nagugulat sila pag nakikita nila ako kasi parang may sort of nostalgia siya for the patient. So I would say that's our niche. But parati akong tinatanong, what's your market? Wala talaga. I get from A to E and there's no specific mas lumalama, kumbaga. There's no majority girls, majority boys. Yun yung maganda about this clinic since it's led by me, which is rare, di ba? Male dermatologist. We also get a lot of male patients and most of my doctors are actually majority males.
And what kind of treatments? I'm sure you offer a wide range of treatments.
Yeah.
Pero parang is it also for skin concerns as well as yung aesthetics?
So when we say dermatology, the term is or should be used for someone who can treat both skin diseases. So we say, what are skin diseases? Psoriasis, there's a lot. Vitiligo, scabies, okay? When we say aesthetic physician, then that doctor is focused on doing pampaganda, okay? Botox, fillers, chemical peels, okay? So dermatologists can do both, treat the skin disease and aesthetic procedures. So that's what we do in our clinic.
What are the most common cases na you specialize in or mga claim to fame cases mo?
Our most sought after procedure is the acne scar. So many patients with acne scars, so butas-butas sa face, craters. So they think before, usually doctors would say or the general population would say, wala nang pag-asa. Okay? Diba? That's the common misconception. But now, because of many developments with procedures, it is treatable, it requires multiple sessions. It's one of the most common treatments we do. Aside from acne scars, acne itself, really severe acne, yung parang super big pimples all over the face, the body. Melasma is very common in the Philippines, especially females, 30s, 40s, because it's sunny.
Yeah.
So sa putis ba yung hindi pag-asa?
Yes! Gusto ko yan. Nakawin ko.
What are the usual trends sometimes sa aesthetics?
the challenging part about aesthetics is parang every few months there's something new. So as the entrepreneur, not only a doctor, it's really hard to catch up sometimes kasi may bago machine, ganyan, doc, may bago na naman injectable. So aside from you need to always invest on new things, which is of course financially challenging, it's also hard to, what I learn or what we learn as doctors, to implement it agad sa patients, di ba? You're forced to, dapat master mo na agad yan pag may bagong lumabas. Kasi the patients are very knowledgeable, they see the newest trends on TikTok, gusto agad nila. But to answer the question, ang pinaka-trending ngayon is biostimulators. Okay, so it means renewing your skin from within, forcing the natural processes of your body, veering away from traditional treatments like fillers, Botox. Some patients are a bit on the conservative side. So now we explain biostimulators. We don't change anything artificially. We just force your skin to produce more collagen on its own.
Okay, is that yung trend na ngayon? Parang before, syempre, parang using your own, like the PRP, is it like a more natural approach in a sense? Is that the trend?
I would call it more regenerative. Regenerative. So we're not putting anything, like fillers, diba? It's very obvious. When you put fillers on your lips, on your cheeks, on your nose, volumized agad. We call it volume. Now we want tighter, lifted skin and glass skin, and we can achieve that using biostimulators and skin boosters, which I would say is more natural, not the compound itself, but the processes they induce in the body.
And can you tell us more about your team of doctors and parang you're expanding, no? You have your team now. How does it? How do you go about that? Do you train them? Are they your partners?
Okay. So that was one of the biggest hurdles as a starting physician, is to hire a doctor. It's easy to hire nurses and staff, but entrusting the patients you've taken care of kasi I was by myself for 2 years, treating all my patients, so it's really hard to put that trust into another person. And in fact, that is one of the biggest hurdles of doctors who do not expand beyond their own clinic. So yeah, I started with 2 doctors. Hinanap ko lang sila sa Facebook. Yun na yung uso ngayon. You just post. So we have a group, all doctors. I just posted there. Surprisingly, always marami nag-a-apply. So the young doctors are kind of very interested in aesthetics. So how do I hire them? I look at not really academic background. I look at confidence, very important in aesthetics because you're facing patients, you're explaining procedures. Second is skills, because we always do injections. So there are some doctors who are, naturally gifted with injecting, hindi nanginginig, very confident. So those are the top 2 things that I look for. So right now they are my employees, but I've told them that I already created a route for them to become junior partners and senior partners in order to encourage their loyalty for the rest.
How do you describe your services? What makes your clinic unique apart from other clinics around?
I would say it's very innovative. I invent all kinds of protocols. So for example, for acne scars, I combine 5 procedures, 6 procedures, even 7, 8 procedures. And I don't think anyone does that. So it's more of, number 1, innovation. So I really like experimenting combination of multiple treatments. Then I try it on my patients, and when I get good results, I replicate it and even add more. Okay. Then I like creating cocktails. No? So for example, I mix this skin booster with PRP, with hyaluronic acid. So I don't see anyone else doing it, or kung ginagawa man nila, it's not explicitly stated. So I like mixing a lot of things kasi I believe in aesthetics, it's always synergism or combination of many things is what makes the treatments effective.
So, okay.
Go.
So, okay. parang you're, with that approach,
Mm.
talagang tutok din kayo sa customer service, working with your patients. And that's something you also try to do with your doctors, and develop a relationship with your clients. And how important is that?
Definitely, nung mag-isa pa lang ako, na tutunan ko na on my own that rapport is sometimes more important than skill. The patient's trust and confidence in you and yung makukuha mo yung loob nila is sometimes even more important than all the things you know. So that's one thing I really try to teach my doctors, not only to be excellent doctors but also to be excellent providers of care.
I was going to say, as a dermatologist who has very good skin, what are your personal favorites? Or
Treatments.
skin must-haves?
I always do Botox, so many patients are afraid of it. But if you don't want to develop static lines, as we call it, or lines na nabaon na when you're in your 40s or 50s, I always advise my patients na millennials or old Gen Zs to start doing Botox. What else do? I love skin boosters, Regeron, Profilo, anything na hindi fillers. So, I'm not a personal fan of fillers, but if my patients want it, I offer. So that's the only treatment, basically, I haven't tried on myself, fillers. But all the services, before I offer it, I do it myself.
Can you tell us more about
The
your
laser.
new,
Okay.
your new machine?
Can you toy?
Can you tell?
So this is called, the name of the machine is QuadraStar Pro Yellow Laser. Okay. So it's from Germany. It's made by Ascap Leon. So it's one of the most trusted manufacturers of machines. No? So right now, ang daming machine na from China. Okay. And it's very cheap. But the original machines are very expensive. No? So that's one thing I want to caution patients, no, when getting lasers, especially. Yes, cheaper machines, cheaper treatments, but safety is always the most important. No? So the problem with cheap machines, they can fluctuate. The exact laser is a very exact science. No? Kala ng iba, pindutin mo lang, then tira-tira lang. So we have a whole chapter and module of lasers during our residency. It's very hard. It's physics. No? I hate physics. It's very hard to understand, but you need some basic knowledge of lasers before you do it on patients because it can lead to disastrous results. Okay, so aside from the quality of the machine, of course, the skill of the one performing. So anyway, about the laser. So this is a yellow laser. It's literally yellow when we press it. The light emitted is yellow. So why this machine? So it has the highest absorption of oxyhemoglobin. So to make that very simple, sobrang taas ng absorption ng laser light ng blood vessels. Okay? So we have a lot of patients na I am sure na notice you, mayroong mga small blood vessels in the face. We call it telangiectasia. So very common. Rosacea. Okay, so rosacea is a skin disease. It presents with redness on the center of the face, usually triggered by sunlight, heat, emotional stress. So pag nagagalit sila or sobrang emotional nila, namumula sila, alcohol. So we have a lot of patients as well. This is the gold standard, one of the gold standard treatments for rosacea. And also melasma, again. Very common in the Philippines. Most melasma conditions also have a vascular component, no? So meron din siyang blood vessel component. So this can also target that. And also very common in our practice is when you get pimples, dalawang option kasi yan. Either it turns brown or black, di ba? Pag nagka-pimple kayo, either mangingitim siya, which is common pagka medyo tan skin, pero pag light skin, it turns red. So we have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is the brown or dark spot. We also have post-inflammatory erythema. Erythema means red. Yun naman pag fairer skin. This one is actually very hard to treat, the PIE. So yun yung pag nagka-acne sila, ang pula pa rin ng face nila, nagkakaroon pa rin ng marks or traces of the red marks. So yun ang maganda. Perfecto machine na to. It's a very common condition. Aside from that, vascular lesions, so I'm sure you see some people who have parang balat sa face that are color red. It's actually fairly common. We call that port wine states or hemangioma. Okay, din to machine. So basically, I like getting machines that are very versatile. Can treat a lot of things, no? Para sulit, kasi mahal. So, kailangan marami siyang matreat, no? It's also good for whitening the face and the body. So, ang maganda sa kanya, the handpiece is very big. Ingat tayo kasi. Yeah. So, it's very easy to treat big areas, so pwede siya whitening of the body, of the face, of the neck. Which is, of course, very uso sa Philippines.
That is
machine, how expensive
Some millions.
Yeah. Yes.
Exact price. It's around. I
When
know.
they give the services, how much will they?
Oh, that, yun pa lang ang, we will have a meeting with the doctors.
Yeah.
But usually the manufacturer provides na
Very
range. Then mamimili ka na. But I would say it's around 5 to 10 per tree.
I see, I see. And
That's the range.
ihahabol ko lang, have you always wanted to be a dermatologist? Was it a childhood dream?
No, I actually wanted to be internist, gastroenterologist. But when I was in med school, na-realize, I don't want to stay in the hospital. Ayoko mas stress, ayoko mapagod. So I think perfect.
And then, okay, last question now. You mentioned that you're innovative. And then there are so many trends, diba, that appears from time to time. As a customer, can I guarantee na the only trends I'll see here are the ones that work or that are efficient, effective? Yung parang, kasi minsan ma-overwhelm ka, ang daming trends. Yung ayoko ma-stress. I can just go here and see sa inyo ano ba ang pwede kong matry.
Okay, that's a good question. So, personally, as a consumer of my own services and products, again, I do not release any service that I haven't personally tried, except this, kasi I don't need it then. So basically, everything I've offered, I've tried it. And before I release it to the market, like this one, na-try ko na siya, and nagustuhan ko yung result. So before I buy anything, yun, I personally see muna the effect on myself without the kasi may scientific bias na ako eh. Like, I know this should work, but I try to see muna kung ako yung patient, makikita ko ba yung results. So I can also explain na, kunwari, for this one, ma'am, 3 sessions pa po. Ganon. Hindi yung parang I overpromise. Kasi I know na I achieved the results that I wanted after doing 3 sessions. Parang ganon. And then of course, yung scientific medical side, given na yun eh. We don't follow trends, we follow evidence-based stuff, protocols.
Thank you.
Do you have
you.
this in all the brands?
For now, it's exclusive to the mall.
Thank you.
Parang special, kasi it's welcome para dumami ang patients.
Salamat.
Okay, na lang